Well, here we are with Mr. Satish Parwar. Satish and I, we did 3 driveways. Would you say that is correct?
Yeah, 3.
3? This one's pretty long. We did that one over there. Neighbors across the street. So I guess that's about 30 inches of snow we accumulated, would you say?
Yeah, 34 inches of the snow we accumulated.
Almost 3 feet of snow.
Yeah.
And then we worked how many hours with the Arians Compact 24, and it's a 24-inch width, 20-inch height. How many hours did we put on this thing? 6 hours?
Yesterday we were doing it from 1 to 4. That's 3 hours.
3 hours.
Yesterday. And today morning we started at 8.
Another hour and a half, you think?
Yeah. Today it was like, yesterday it was a lot. Like yesterday it was almost 2 feet.
How much gas would you say?
Oh,
you
it's
used?
1 gallon.
1 gallon of gas.
That's it.
1 gallon. And how much was the blower? It's brand new.
Yeah, it's brand new. It's I bought it last year, so this is 1 year old.
And how much? Roughly?
It was $850.
$850. But we saved a lot of money in snow plowing and shoveling and
Time.
time.
A lot of time.
Our body. We're old. Speak for myself. Okay. Well, geez. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Satish.
Thank you very much.
You're a gentleman and a scholar, sir.
Thank you.
What a beautiful day. I think it's all going to melt. We're done.
Let's go. Let's do some sledding on the Kramer
Yeah,
Park.
we're going to go sledding. Have a great day. Peace
Have a
out,
great day.
yo.
Cheers. Like this.
Try that way.
Subscribe. Subscribe.
Like.
Subscribe.
Share.
Share.
Subscribe. Like. Share. Have a good one.